On Earth Day, we have a tree walk, and I'm here in the beautiful Abington Woods. There's a poplar on the right, there's an elm wrapped in ivy on the left, and let's see what's through this fantastic natural archway. Coming through, oh look, there's fire mammal. Fire mammal. Hi.
Hi Julieta. Hi everybody.
Can you let us know what you're doing there?
We've got these lovely snowdrops that are really fully out right now, and I'm just clearing some of these sticks out of the way, falling little branches and stuff, so that they get the full sun and the bees and that can get into them nicely. And we've got some aconites here as well. They are blossoming, some of them going over a little bit now as well, and a little bit of cow parsley there coming up. And that'll have a really white flower in time. And there's some more aconites and snowdrops.
Oh wow.
Looking lovely at the base of this tree.
Oh, thank you, fire mammal.